are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause
Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Julie Jules World. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to bring you a DIY that is cute and functional. This mini pouch bag that's perfect for beginners, and it's totally customizable. So cute. I put my journals in here, so made that one and this one as well. Super cute in it. Yes, let's go ahead and get into our project. So what you will need for this project, the first step you're going to do is iron on your interfacing. So you're going to need both of your outer fabrics. You're going to need to flip it on the wrong side of the fabric. You're going to place your interfacing on top of there. Iron this out. You're going to also need your other fabric. You're going to take it to iron. You're going to fold it in half, and you're going to fold it in right in the center, and you're going to fold this as well, and then you're going to fold it one more time. Okay, and you have that. Go ahead and do that, and then we're going to get to the next step. Okay, you should now have your interfacing ironed on to these two, and then you should now have your strap ironed out. These two aside for right now. Work on this. So we're going to be marking this corner. This is 8 and this is 9. So at 8 centimeters, you're going to mark, and you can get washi tape I'm using. And so once you do that, we're going to get our lining that goes with this, and we're going to put that in place, fold that in half, and then you're going to cut that corner out. You should have both of them cut out. Okay, we're going to take both of these right side facing together. We're going to go to machine, and we're going to sew all the way around and coming back down. And then with your strap, you're going to sew one side here coming down and the other side coming down as well. Cut the corners. This is the handles. Now with the handles, we're going to fold that in half, make sure it's evened out, and then we're going to cut that in half. Okay, we have 2 handles now. Again, iron this out. You're going to take it to the machine, and you're going to sew all the way around. Okay, once you finish sewing it, it should now look like that. We'll put these 2 aside and work with our other fabric. The base, fold this in half, center middle. Okay, mark both ends, and from the 2 center in the right, you're going to shoot over 3.5 centimeters. From the center, move over 3.5 centimeters and mark it, and do the same thing for the other side as well. We're going to be placing our handles in that place. So we have a 3, the middle, the other side, and then the other side. We're going to lay our strap, and then you're going to do the same thing for the other side. You're going to bring it upwards, and then you're going to put it right on the other line as well, and then pin that in place. And now do the same thing for the other side. And so we're going to be taking our flap closure, place it right in the center of this, facing right side together, touching each other, and then you're going to place that down. Okay, and it's going to sit right in the center like that. Pin that in place. Okay, and now you're going to go to machine. You're going to sew all the way over. Stop right there at the handle, and then you're going to sew right here and then right here. You now have that sewn on there. your other fabric, which is your lining, and then we're going to place this right side together, touching each other. We're going to be marking this end. Now this is the end that has flap closure, not that end, but this end here. We're going to mark that. We have to leave a gap right in the middle of that. And this end, we're going to leave a 6 centimeter gap. Try to mark it right in the center. Make sure you're not marking it on top of the strap. Mark like right between these two. Go to machine and we're gonna sew, starting from the top, coming down here, stop right at the line, leave that gap, skip over, and then come and then continue sewing at that line and all the way at the end here. And then on this side, you're gonna sew all the way down straight. Now you should have that sewn and your gap should be open. All right, we're gonna fold this in half. And then we're gonna line this up together, making sure it lines up, and pin that in place. And then do the same thing for the other side. Go ahead and press firmly down, even it out. Everything's laying flat. I'll be marking these corners here. Yourself a 2.5 by 2 centimeter cardstock paper, and we're gonna lay it in these 4 corners here and then trace it out. Okay, lay it like this, the 2.5 sitting up here, and then the 2 centimeters sitting that way. Okay, and then you're gonna mark it each corner. And cut those 4 corners out. Once you're finished cutting the corners out, we're gonna go to machine and we're gonna sew all the way down here, and we're gonna sew all the way down here. 1 centimeter seam allowance. Okay, you should now have both sides sewn. So let's go ahead and fold these corners. We're gonna have to close this gap up. So we're gonna take this corner like that, and we're gonna line this up. You're gonna fold it like that. You're gonna pin that in place. You're gonna do it for all 4 corners. Okay, now that you have it all pinned down, you're gonna go to machine and you're gonna sew straight across here, over here, over here, and over here. So you should now have it all sewn. Flip this inside out. Go ahead and iron this out. Once you finish ironing it out, you're gonna be closing up this gap here, okay? We're gonna flip this inside out. We're gonna go to machine and we're gonna start at this gap right here and start sewing all the way around, and come back. Should have it now sewn all the way around. Our next step is our button. Fold that in half, find a center. Then we're gonna add and mark 1 centimeter from the top. Just mark it, okay, right there. And then right here, find a center. You're gonna drop down 2 centimeters down. And you're gonna mark that. So you're gonna be placing your button here and then right here. Now you are finished. It's beautiful, y'all. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share and you will see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.